16% of our country, it was not born in the United States. That's about where it's mostly from the Southern Hemisphere, but in the case of Europe, it's mostly from Islamic countries that are the people coming do not express a desire to assimilate, integrate, intermarry, etc. And so you got Britain and France and Germany, Greece especially, and they have very high populations of non-assimilated, in some ways hostile minorities, very dependent on social services. They've got a declining birth rate. The way I look at it, John, we had a cancer going on of open borders and a loss of deterrence, and the chemotherapy is very hard to administer. It's very easy to let in 12 million people, 10,000 a day, and say you're magnanimous and not tell the people that they're crowding ER rooms for American citizens, that your dialysis clinic is going to be packed with people who've never been to a doctor from Guatemala. We have a huge overhead and parity entitlements for housing, legal aid, food, etc. But it's very hard to find them and enforce the law. It was almost if the left said to us it's very moral to break the law, and now they're saying to us it's very amoral to enforce it. So it's bad publicity to find these 500,000 felons. But we've already had 1 million people self-deport. Everybody said that was impossible. They would never do it. Donald Trump said you get $1,000, we'll pay your way home, and you can apply for a green card. If you do not self-deport and we catch you, you will not be allowed in under any circumstances for a year, and you'll go back on your own expense and time. So what he's trying to do is rectify things that were kind of nonsensical.